Number 1. 1973 Harley-Davidson Ironhead Sportster XLH 1000, $3,200, Greenwich, Connecticut. The 1973 Harley-Davidson Ironhead Sportster XLH 1000 remains a favorite among vintage Harley enthusiasts thanks to its rugged character and unmistakable V-twin personality. Early Ironhead models continue to attract attention for their classic styling, simple mechanics, and strong connection to Harley-Davidson's performance heritage. This example is described as a dependable rider with electric start and strong running condition. While it shows some cosmetic wear and a few minor issues, it has been maintained and enjoyed as a backroad cruiser. For buyers seeking an affordable vintage Harley with authentic Ironhead charm, this XLH offers plenty of appeal. Number 2. 1987 Honda Shadow, $1,200, Rockville, Maryland. The 1987 Honda Shadow helped establish Honda's reputation for building reliable and comfortable V-twin cruisers. With classic styling, user-friendly performance, and long-lasting durability, these motorcycles remain popular choices for riders looking for an affordable entry into vintage motorcycling. This 700cc example is currently not running and will need carburetor cleaning after sitting, but it comes with a clear title and several useful accessories. Saddlebags, a removable backrest, windscreen, and period-correct Cobra pipes add to its appeal. For someone seeking an inexpensive project cruiser, this Shadow could be a worthwhile opportunity. Number 3. 1976 Harley-Davidson Super Glide, $4,000, Darlington, Pennsylvania. The 1976 Harley-Davidson Super Glide occupies an important place in Harley history as one of the company's early factory custom motorcycles. Combining big twin power with distinctive styling, the Super Glide helped define the custom-inspired look that became increasingly popular during the 1970s. According to the seller, this motorcycle runs well and has no known mechanical issues. The seat remains in good condition, while the tank shows a few dings consistent with age. For enthusiasts looking for a classic Harley that can be enjoyed immediately, this Super Glide presents a solid vintage riding experience. Number 4. 1985 Yamaha Maxim XJ700, $2,500, Leland, North Carolina. The 1985 Yamaha Maxim XJ700 reflects the versatile universal Japanese motorcycle era, blending strong performance with everyday practicality. Known for smooth power delivery and dependable engineering, the XJ series remains respected among riders who appreciate classic 1980s Japanese motorcycles. This example shows relatively low original mileage and remains largely factory original. Recent front brake service and a manual fuel valve conversion add to its usability, while the seller notes it is fully rideable as it sits. For riders wanting a classic Yamaha that is ready to enjoy, this Maxim is an attractive option. Number 5. 1974 Moto Guzzi 850T, $2,500, Morristown, New Jersey. The 1974 Moto Guzzi 850T showcases the distinctive engineering and character that have long defined the Italian manufacturer. With its transverse V-twin engine, shaft drive, and comfortable handling, the 850T remains a respected touring motorcycle among vintage Moto Guzzi enthusiasts. This motorcycle has reportedly been owned by the seller for 25 years and is described as a reliable runner. While it has some oil leaks, minor rust, and a few non-original components, the engine and transmission are said to remain strong. For buyers seeking an affordable Italian classic, this Moto Guzzi offers plenty of vintage character. Number 6. 1981 Kawasaki KZ750 Ltd. $1,400, Rochester, New York. The 1981 Kawasaki KZ750 Ltd. blended dependable performance with the custom-inspired styling that became popular during the late 1970s and early 1980s. Known for its smooth engine and comfortable riding manners, the KZ750 remains a favorite among riders looking for an affordable vintage Japanese motorcycle. This example shows just over 19,000 miles and is described as running and riding well. Recent tires, chain, and sprockets add to its usability, while the original owner's manual and unused luggage rack are included. For buyers seeking an inexpensive classic rider, this KZ750 Ltd. offers excellent value. Number 7. 1973 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000, $2,500, Shermansdale, Pennsylvania. The 1973 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000 represents the rugged personality of the Ironhead era, featuring both kickstart and electric start, along with the desirable right-hand shift configuration. These early Sportsters continue to attract enthusiasts who appreciate vintage Harley character and mechanical simplicity. This motorcycle is currently not running, but the seller includes a new starter assembly, replacement wiring harness, and additional related parts. With a clean Pennsylvania title already in hand, it presents a promising restoration project. For buyers looking for an affordable Ironhead with strong potential, this Sportster is worth a closer look. Number 8. 1979 Suzuki GS750L, $2,000, Mullica Hill, New Jersey. The 1979 Suzuki GS750L comes from the golden era of universal Japanese motorcycles, offering a balance of reliability, performance, and everyday practicality. These GS models earned a strong reputation for durability and continue to be popular among vintage motorcycle enthusiasts today. This example remains largely original and includes many factory components along with a box of spare parts and manuals. Recent carburetor, fork, and exhaust work has already been completed, and the bike reportedly starts and runs strong. For someone seeking a solid restoration candidate or vintage daily rider, this GS750L has plenty to offer. Number 9. 1985 BMW R65, $4,200, Cumberland Center, Maine. The 1985 BMW R65 delivers the classic airhead experience in a lighter and more manageable package. Powered by BMW's signature Boxer twin engine, the R65 is known for dependable touring capability, simple maintenance, and timeless styling that continues to appeal to vintage BMW fans. This motorcycle is described as running and riding very well while remaining in excellent overall condition. New tires and a new battery add peace of mind for the next owner. For riders looking for a ready-to-enjoy classic BMW, this R65 appears to be a strong example. Number 10. 1972 Honda CL, $2,200, Pine Bush, New York. The 1972 Honda CL series helped popularize lightweight dual-purpose motorcycles by combining street-friendly manners with rugged scrambler styling. Their reliability, simplicity, and versatility have made them enduring favorites among vintage Honda enthusiasts. This example has received extensive maintenance and restoration work, including electrical upgrades, a rebuilt carburetor, refreshed fuel system, and new tires. Both electric and kickstart systems are functional, and the seller describes it as road legal and ready to ride. For buyers seeking a classic Honda Scrambler that can be enjoyed immediately, this CL stands out as an appealing option. Number 11. 1972 Triumph Tiger 650 Chopper, $3,000, Charlottesville, Virginia. The 1972 Triumph Tiger 650 combines classic British twin-cylinder performance with old-school custom chopper styling. Triumph-powered customs have remained popular for decades thanks to their lightweight feel, distinctive appearance, and strong connection to vintage motorcycle culture. These machines continue to attract riders who appreciate traditional craftsmanship and timeless custom motorcycle design. This rigid frame example features a Harley-Davidson front end and sport tank, creating a unique custom look. The seller describes it as fun to ride and ready for its next owner. For enthusiasts seeking an affordable vintage chopper with British roots, this Tiger offers plenty of character and classic custom appeal. Number 12. 1980 Yamaha DT125G, $3,000, Ebensburg, Pennsylvania. The 1980 Yamaha DT125G represents the golden era of lightweight two-stroke dual-sport motorcycles. Known for their reliability, versatility, and easy handling, DT models remain highly collectible among riders who enjoy both pavement and trail riding. Their simple design and lively performance continue to make them popular among vintage motorcycle enthusiasts. This example is described as being in very good condition and has been used regularly for local cruising. Aside from a damaged speedometer bracket from a previous incident, it remains roadworthy and enjoyable to ride. For buyers looking for a classic two-stroke dual sport, this Yamaha is an appealing option with strong collector interest. Number 13. 1989 Harley-Davidson Sportster 883 Hugger, $2,800, Sauterton, Pennsylvania. The 1989 Harley-Davidson Sportster 883 Hugger helped make the Sportster lineup accessible to a wider range of riders while retaining the classic Harley-Davidson experience. Lightweight by Harley standards and full of V-twin personality, these models continue to have a loyal following. Their straightforward design and unmistakable sound have helped keep them popular for decades. This motorcycle has received several recent upgrades, including transmission work, a new clutch, fresh chain and sprockets, and a tuned S&S carburetor. The seller reports that it runs and rides very well, with a new battery recently installed. For buyers seeking an affordable Harley with proven upgrades, this Sportster stands out as a solid rider. Number 14. 1976 Honda Goldwing GL1000, $4,300, Mechanicsville, Virginia. The 1976 Honda Goldwing GL1000 is part of the first generation that launched Honda's legendary touring motorcycle legacy. Praised for its smooth, flat-4 engine and long-distance comfort, the GL1000 remains one of the most respected classic touring bikes ever produced. Early Goldwings continue to attract riders who value reliability and vintage touring capability. This example has recently undergone extensive mechanical restoration, including carburetor, brake, cooling system, and fuel system work. New rear shocks and a battery have also been installed, and the seller states that it runs and rides perfectly. For riders wanting a classic Goldwing ready for the road, this one deserves serious consideration. Number 15. 1983 Suzuki GS450A, $650, Westport, Maine. The 1983 Suzuki GS450A offered something unique in the motorcycle market with its automatic transmission and dependable parallel twin engine. These practical and easy-to-ride machines remain interesting examples of Suzuki's experimentation during the early 1980s. Today, surviving examples are becoming increasingly uncommon and attract curiosity from vintage motorcycle fans. This motorcycle is reported to be in very good mechanical and cosmetic condition, but has been stored for several years. It will need a battery and possibly some carburetor attention before returning to regular use. For buyers searching for an inexpensive vintage project, this GS450A presents an affordable opportunity with plenty of potential. Thanks for watching Moto Market Explorer. If you enjoyed these affordable vintage motorcycle finds, be sure to like, subscribe, and check back for more classic motorcycles for sale across the USA.